What's up, gig workers? Welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time here and you want to watch more video of different kind of gig apps, hit that subscribe button down below. So today I'll be working Uber Eats and Doordash from 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. So come along for the ride and stick around to the end, because I also do the breakdown of the tips and how much I made per hour. All that said, let's go make some money. Turned out to be a nice day today. It's +2 Celsius. Feels like fall, not winter. So let's set a goal of $20 an hour. 20. So the time is 10:58. Uber online, start dashing. So our time start now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Woohoo! Money, money, money. So first order is from Doordash, 3.4 kilometers, $9. I'll accept that. And that's the Popeyes restaurant. So it took 10 minutes for the first order to come in. Yeah, I thought I would get the first order from Uber Eats. Guess not. So I was waiting inside Popeyes and Doordash sent me an add-on for $10, 1 kilometers. So this become a double order for $19. Really good, excelente. First customer is 6 minutes away, 3.3 kilometers. Doordash $6, 3.3 kilometers. Zero tip. Zero tip mean no trip. Doordash $8, 8.7 kilometers, and it's Popeyes. I'll accept that. Damn, Doordash, you're on fire. Fire, fire. So I like to jog to the restaurant and jog to the customer. I'll get my cardio in. Okay, let's see how far this customer is. 9 minutes away, 6.8 kilometers. Base pay $6, customer tip $2. The time is 12:02. I'm at $27 with Doordash and zero order with Uber Eats. There's a few times I'm at around $27 for the first hour. Second, third hour, no good. Doordash 7.4 kilometers, $10. Sushi One, that's a fast restaurant. I'll accept that. That restaurant is always on time. Restaurant is 4 minutes away, 2.2 kilometers. Gonna log out from Uber Eats. Told you they're really fast. Just less than 30 seconds in and out. That's it. Customer is 9 minutes away, 5 kilometers. The time is 12:17. Doing really good so far. Arrive at customer location. It says here, hand to me, parking at the back and knock at the back door. Base pay $6, customer tip $4. Thank you very much. $37 Doordash, and the time is 12:28. Doordash $9, 2.5 kilometers. I'll accept it. Uber Eats, I'm gonna go offline. Bye bye. Woohoo! You're not sending me no orders, so Doordash 4.1 kilometers, $9. This customer is 2 minutes away, 1.6 kilometers. Base pay $6, customer tip $3. Thank you very much. The time is 1:12. Zero order with Uber Eats, $55 with Doordash. Woohoo! Doordash is kicking butt. Here comes the slow part just after 1 p.m. Decline, decline, decline. No orders, no orders, no orders, no orders. Let's see how it goes. Doordash again. 3.1 kilometers, $11. So the time is 1:50. It's probably like around 5 minutes waiting now. No order from Uber Eats, no order from Doordash. So far I had a good lunch hours with Doordash. Some really good orders. Really good pay. The time is 2 p.m. I've been driving for 3 hours and it's getting slow now. So I'm just gonna end my shift. I'm hungry, thirsty. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and stick around for the summary. See you guys in a bit. Hello guys, welcome back, and this is a summary. Active time was 1 hour and 55 minutes. Dash time was 3 hours and 1 minute. I had 7 delivery with DoorDash and 0 delivery with Uber Eats. Let's start from the bottom. $9. Base pay $6. Customer tip $3. Second one, $10. Base pay $6. Customer tip $4. This is $8. Base pay $6. Customer tip $2. $10. Base pay $6. Customer tip $4. This is $9. Base pay $6. Customer tip $3. Another $9. Base pay $6. Customer tip $3. And the last and final one, $11. Base pay $6. Customer tip $5. So the total with DoorDash is $66 minus $5 for gas equal $61 divided by 3 hours give us $20.33 per hour. Woohoo! Nice! Surprise, surprise! I'm very impressed with DoorDash. $20 an hour with just one app on a lunch hours. That's pretty awesome. That's really good. So thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to support the channel. And stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.